Okay, I have time only for one final question to Sanjay Jha. If your party wins in Punjab and in Uttarakhand but is routed in Uttar Pradesh, what would be the big ticket takeaway as we head towards the budget session where Mamta is playing all sorts of pranks on the government, creating all sorts of troubles and massive migraine for the Prime Minister. What sort of a mood would the government approach the budget session with?
Rahul, I'm very optimistic and I completely agree with your poll projections on Uttarakhand. I think the Congress will do well. Even in Punjab, I think it will be a very decisive and a clear majority. And as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned, one will probably look at a situation, of course, early days yet, but one foresees that both the Samajwadi Party and the Congress will be significant gainers at the expense of not just the BSP but even, and I'm putting my neck out on this one, or even the BJP. So end of day, a coalition opportunity does exist in UP. So overall, net, I think the Congress is definitely looking at emerging.
You're hoping that the Samajwadi Party ends up with lesser than what Sanjay Kumar is projecting, so that the SP is then dependent on the Congress for some seats. So that they can get the SP to back the Congress in the Lok Sabha. However, if the SP ends up with 195 to 210 seats, Akhilesh will need nobody's support. This is very, very exciting times indeed. This, of course, is just a projection. It's a forecast. Polls in the past have been known to go wrong. This is about as scientific as it gets, with someone who's been looking at the data coming from these states very, very closely, doing it day in, day out for hours on end, every single day. That's all he's done. Sanjay Kumar, for having put this forecast together for Headlines today. Thank you very much. Sanjeev Srivastava, Professor Deepankar Gupta, Javed Ansari, and to all my guests this evening, thank you very much. 7 a.m. counting day, that's when our coverage begins. Live, exclusive analysis, the best perspective, the fastest results right here on Headlines today. Thanks for tuning in. News and updates continue on the other side of the coach.